and welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope you are doing well. I know it has been quite some time since I have been here on YouTube, but I'm back with another video. Finally, I recently moved my office from a smaller space in my home to a larger spare bedroom. I don't think I've mentioned it here on YouTube before, but I actually work from home full-time outside of YouTube. I am an executive assistant for a real estate investment firm, and I do web development and marketing design on the side also. So I'm very busy through the week, Monday through Friday, and I was just outgrowing that other space. It was small, I loved it, but I needed more room for all my work during the week. So I've moved my office. I've been in here for a little bit. I would say it's about 90% done, but I could not wait to share this space with you any longer. So today I'm gonna give you a little tour of my home office. I hope you enjoy it. When you walk in, the first thing you see is this ottoman I found at Target. I've decorated it with a faux plant from IKEA, a candle from Bath & Body Works, and some gold office accessories all on top of a marble tray. So right next to the ottoman, I have this clothing rack that I actually found at Home Goods a couple of years ago. I use this for the outfits that I'm planning to wear for the week ahead. I actually plan my weeks every Sunday, and one thing I started doing, I think many years ago, it's been quite a while now, I think about 5 or 6 years ago, every time I would plan my week, if I knew what I was doing, I would also plan my outfits for the week. I am not a morning person. As much as I wish and try and hope to be a morning person one day, I do struggle to get up and get going in the morning. Knowing what I'm going to wear that day and not having to worry about it, just coming to this rack, grabbing my outfit and putting it on for the day and it being cute and something I like has helped me a ton. So I keep my weekly outfits here on this rack. Underneath my outfits, I just have a hat box I found at Target, a Kate Spade book that I love, and then I have this acrylic tray that I will put accessories in if I have any accessories to go with the outfits. And then underneath that, at the very bottom, I have another acrylic tray with a couple of pairs of house shoes in them. One of the best parts about working from home is getting to work in house shoes. So I definitely keep a couple of pairs of those in my office. Since my theme in this room is really feminine, I definitely wanted to add floral accents. So when I found this beautiful faux cherry blossom tree, I knew it would be the perfect addition to the space. I have it sitting in a ceramic waste bin that I had lying around for now, but I do plan to get a planter for it soon. I think that's a really good excuse for me to go to Home Goods, don't you? In front of my desk, I have 2 ghost chairs. I love the look of these. Acrylic furniture is a great way to add useful pieces to your space, especially if it's a smaller space without making it look too overly cluttered. I like to get my work area as clean and as clutter-free as possible. Too many items on my desk would surely distract me from my work, so I've kept it simple with just a few essentials. I have a couple of picture frames on my desk, one with a cute quote card from Kate Spade, and the other with a picture of me and my adorable little sister in it. I also always have a candle on my desktop, and then I have this phone stand that is one of my all-time favorite Amazon finds. I also have this really cute pen holder that I found at Target ages ago, and inside some of my favorite pens from Amazon. They just look so pretty on display in here. One of my favorite things in here is this blush velvet chair I found. It fits the space perfectly and it's really comfortable too. Behind my desk, I have this dresser from IKEA that houses a lot of my daily work necessities. On top is my iMac. also have this file holder. I use this daily to keep any paperwork I need organized. I like to keep my scissors in this cute vase that I received in a FabFitFun box. I just thought it was a really fun way to display them, so why not? Another one of my office essentials is this Bluetooth speaker. And I just have this mug with some pop-in pins in it. These pins are really great to have on hand. If you haven't tried this brand before, I highly recommend, and I will link them below. Since I spend so much time in this room, I knew I wanted to add some thoughtful decor that I would love looking at all day long. I found this gold butterfly mirror and the gold console table online at hsn.com, and then I decorated the top with a few things I found at HomeGoods. These velvet curtains are the perfect shade of blush pink for this space. I've layered them with some faux linen sheers underneath just to give the decor in the room a little more texture. On the other side of my desk, I have a mirrored buffet cabinet that I use to keep my office supplies organized. On top, I have this beautiful amethyst crystal. It is one of my very favorite things that I own, so having it in this space makes me so happy every day. Above the buffet, I have my vision board, or idea board, if you will. On it, I just keep a few pictures of things and quotes that inspire me, as well as pictures of my family. Behind my desk area, on either side of the IKEA dresser, I have two gold bookshelves. I've styled them to be aesthetically pleasing, but they are also very functional. In the white boxes that I have displayed on various shelves, I keep office supplies. I also keep two of my planners here that I reach for every single day. On the top right shelf, I have some of my favorite notebooks from Amazon that I also use daily, and these gorgeous rose quartz bookends I found at HomeGoods on each side. One thing I really love to do when decorating an office space is to use fashion pieces as home decor. These Valentino rock studs are one of my very favorite pairs, so when I'm not wearing them, I use them as decor in my office. Another thing that I keep on this shelf is actually my daily handbag. I have found that having my handbag in my office is so much more useful than having it downstairs by the back door, which you would think would be the most functional, but honestly, I always need something out of my purse. I have decided to designate a spot for it and keep it here, and it's been working for me really, really well. This is a bag you are probably familiar with. You probably recognize it from my last video, which I know was in January, quite a while ago, but I shared it with you all because it truly is my daily go-to handbag, and I shared my handbag organization with you here. I will link that video below if you're interested. I'm still carrying this bag. That was in January, so now it's June. So, I mean, we're coming up on 6 months, and I have still been using this as my everyday go-to bag. This bag looks just as beautiful as the day that I received it. And when I'm not carrying it, it sits here as a beautiful accessory in my office. So that is it for my office tour. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. As I update this space, I will definitely update you here on YouTube and show you more. If you want to see a video of how I organize everything in my office, inside the drawers, inside the closet, inside the cabinets, I will definitely share that here on my channel. Just let me know. I actually am pretty proud of the organization in this room. I just didn't want to make this video too long and share it here with you in this one, but I would love to share it with you. I personally love organization videos, so if you'd like to see how I organize the space, just let me know and I will work on that for you. I hope that you have an absolutely wonderful week ahead, and I hope I see you again soon. Bye.